Hi and welcome to Solar FPV. My name is Anos and I'm sitting here at my desk. I've been flying a bit today. It's been a really good, really good day. Now it's getting a bit more windy and I was looking in my orders at Banggood and I found that one of my items could be picked up today. So I went and I have got a package. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this. I've been flying these two. This one is it's just flying absolutely amazing. It's just a beast. I love it. And I've also been flying, although the flight footage from this is not that good because I did have a few crashes because I had to tune it, because you gotta tune your quads. And then I've been building this one, which is a tiny little F3 thing, thingy whoopie thing. Yeah, and this flies okay, really good actually when flying. And I uploaded a video yesterday about it, and yeah, this is a really nice little quad. The VTX is underneath there, right down here, and it's screwed in because I twisted everything around, so it's screwed into the front part here because it's a tiny little VTX. So yeah, this is a nice little flyer. I've got some issues with the receiver, but I am working on it. I could always fit a bigger receiver, an XM Plus, onto this, and then this would be absolutely amazing. Battery, well, I get receiver dropouts if I don't use these 300 milliamp batteries. I tried these 250 milliamp batteries, but yeah, I get dropouts, receiver dropouts, which is weird. I don't get video dropout, so yeah, all in all, really good. Let's get to the package, and enough rambling on about this thing. Let's do this. Let's see what this is. Here we go. Do this the easy way. HGLRC. Thank you. Oh man, I've been waiting for this. This is gonna be good. Let's unbox this thing. This is the HGLRC Parrot 120 Pro, and I ordered it on Banggood, and they shipped it pretty fast. Very happy. Put that in the bin. Ooh la la. Let's just go like that. So we get the splendor of this magnificent drone here. Okay. Boom. Ooh, that's heavy. That's kind of a heavy thing. Huge 3D printed, very big mount, and a nice camera. And it's the, I don't know, I think it's the Runcam 2. Anyway, very nice. Capacitors all sorted in. The board is all done. The receiver is zip tied on. The receiver, and it's just looking really good. That's just a good looking quad. And it's got some grippy stuff here. That's good for the battery. That's very grippy. Good. Let's see what else comes in the package. That's the drone. Oh man, these motors are sweet. It's got the HGLRC 1106 6000 kV. Focus. There we go. Yep. Very nice motors. Comes with props. 3-bladed props and 2 extra props, so 6 pairs of props. Lots of screws, I guess that's for the props. What else have we got? Ooh, I think this is the instruction manual and the battery strap. It's okay. It's okay. And there's lots of space for the battery strap, so yeah. This has to go in like this, and then it has to go in. Just gotta be careful, man. This is a really tidy build. Look at the motor wires and everything. It's all inside. And then you go like this. No, it's not one of those. Oh, it's just one of. Oh well. I'm not a fan of these kind of straps. Really. Am I being stupid? No. I was right. Let's just do this. There we go. Funky battery strap. But yeah, that will do the job if you want to do it like that. This is not got a zip tie. That's all I need to do, pretty much. I need to zip tie the motor wires down. That's all. They didn't provide a zip tie though. So, okay. Anyways, the bag. Stickers. Stickers are nice. We've got a how to bind channel 1 to channel 15 for PWM, channel 16 for RSSI, for FC, yes, for range, blah 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 blah. That's very nice. And then we've got, whoa, what was that? Oh, I didn't see that coming. An extra little antenna thing. I've heard these fly off, so I'm gonna glue these in. Yeah, I'm gonna give these some glue, put them in some plastic glue, and yeah, I'm actually gonna do that in the canopy. I'm just gonna give it some glue in there, right in there. You can see right in there. Yeah, that's okay. Have an extra one of those. What does it say? HGLRC Parrot 120 Pro FPV racing drone. Ready to fly setup. To check if the drone is damaged or not, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Connect Betaflight to adjust the parameters. All parameters are default setting before delivery. All you need to do is bind the signal off and the drone can take off. Want to upgrade the flight control firmware? Please blah blah blah. Down in menu, read upgrade. Install propeller properly. Check it before you take off. Frequency and power control. Method Betaflight OSD. Short press 1, channel 1 to channel 8, and long press for 2 seconds, and then short press to change frequency group. Okay. Button power control. Long button press for 6 seconds, and short press button to change power level. Up to 400 milliwatts, it says. So, I don't know where the button is. The button is, what the hell have they done here? Well, the button is somewhere. I guess it'll tell me there's LEDs you can put on as well. No LEDs on here though, for what I can see. Yeah. Buzzer, LED patch. It's got everything. So yeah. Doesn't say, there's no diagram of where the buzzer button is. So there are 2 buttons. So I guess it's this one. That's the top because the VTX is at the top. And that is some other button that I have no idea what is. Could be the boot button for flashing. Anyway, HGLRC, if you're listening, you know, this is great, but I would really like to have a diagram of like what are the different buttons. Oh, it does say, sorry. I'm sorry. I'm an idiot. This is boot. But man, that's a really, I mean, I'm trying, I can't focus on this. You can, you see? Oh, well, yeah. Maybe I need glasses. It does say boot though. So that's the boot button. That's nice to know. So that's all you really need to know. Work the VTX is this button, the top one. And the boot is there. I have a battery somewhere. A 2S. It's not charged, so oh, these are the wrong ones. That's not the right one either. Let's see. I have a battery here. Yeah. And it's not fully charged. I just want to see if there's life in this drone before I do anything. Okay? So here goes something. 2S. Oh, that's what you want to hear, isn't it? Perfect. So I'm going to run this on 2S. I think I might change the frame. I might change it to another frame that I have so that it is way lighter. Because it's got a carbon canopy, and I have a feeling that this top 3D printed plastic part is pretty heavy. And this frame is absolutely, it's thick as hell. Amazing. Looks fatter in the middle than it is out at the arms. I don't know how they've done that, but it's chamfered. It just looks amazing. So that's all. That's it for me today. I hope you like this unboxing. I can't wait to fly this beast. And subscribe for more RC related content and builds. And yeah, comment below, ask your questions. And as always, fly hard.